Hey, what's up? How's it going? I'm Russ, and this is Dapper Dividends, where we are working to make work optional, and we are doing this through stock and crypto passive income. But we're not going to be making that crypto passive income any longer at Coinbase. I'll let you know in just a second. But first, today is June 14th, and it is my lovely wife Jenna's birthday today. Now, this reminds me of something I wanted to share when I was in the United States Navy aboard the USS John C. Stennis. It was an aircraft carrier. Every single job on that boat, I don't care what you did or who you were, whether you were in launch and recovery on the flight deck, whether you were maintaining the elevators, as yours truly did, or if you worked in the mess decks as a mess specialist cooking the meals for everybody, that was one of the most important jobs, because if people are hungry and people can't be fed, people aren't going to be able to work or think they need to be fed. So I don't care what you did, what your job, every job was critical to the mission and the success of that aircraft carrier. Now, this is just like my house with my wife. Now, I'm the one on camera, and I do a lot of research and putting things together and editing these videos, and my wife is doing the cooking, the cleaning, the feeding of all of us, getting the kids to school, buying their clothes, just so many things that the other ones in our lives that may not be as into the finances as we are, it is so critical to our success, to our mission. If you have a girlfriend or you have a wife or significant other, let them know how thankful you are that this truly is a team effort, and I cannot do this without her. Now, I had been staking my Algorand and a few other cryptocurrencies at Coinbase, not any longer. I'd become aware of the Algorand wallet a while ago, but never really dug into it, so I just decided to finally look at it and see what it was all about. And as I was looking on their website and checking out this sleek-looking wallet, the Algorand official wallet, built by the team that brought you the Algorand blockchain, you are able to hold, transact, and manage your assets all in one place. This is not a custodial wallet. There was a seed phrase given that you need to put in that order to be able to access the wallet if you ever have to download another one, which means I am in full control and custody of the keys. When you use Coinbase, that is a custodial account. Celsius, as much as I love it, is a custodial account. Again, just like Coinbase, you earn rewards automatically by holding Algos in your wallet, and you can customize the wallet to fit your needs, as it says, the color scheme, the reward displays. So as I was digging around the Algorand site, learning about the wallet, I clicked on Earn Algo Rewards, and as I was reading the Algo Rewards FAQ, this jumped out at me right here. At the time of writing, an account that is holding 1 million Algos would generate about 70,000 Algos per year in rewards, with an effective rewards rate of 7%. Interesting, because Coinbase has a rewards rate of 6%. And as we see in the next paragraph, the Algorand wallet is non-custodial, and all rewards earned accrue directly to the user. Binance, Coinbase, and other exchanges offer custodial services, thus they can distribute the rewards to their users as per their terms and conditions. They receive staking rewards like any other Algorand address holding at least one algo. So that got me thinking, got my little shovel out, and I went digging. As we see, Coinbase does allow staking rewards. Currently, Ethereum 6%, Algorand 6% APY, but it's 7% on Algo wallet. So as I was doing my digging, I came across this under staking services: commission. If you stake your assets with us, your reward will be determined by the protocols of the applicable network. Coinbase will distribute this reward to you after receipt by Coinbase minus a 25% commission. Nope, I'm out. Not gonna do it. Not paying 25% commission to Coinbase that's going to be holding my algos and charging me 25% on my rewards. Immediately I downloaded the Algorand wallet, and I sent everything over to the Algorand wallet, and it was really cool. It was instantaneous. Maybe it was about 15 seconds or so, but it was in there, and I immediately started receiving rewards on my algos in the Algorand wallet. I am also now staking my ADA tokens, the Cardano tokens, on the Daedalus mainnet, which is really interesting and something I'm still learning, and I'm still waiting to get in my first staking pool. More will be on that in another video. And then basically almost everything else is split between Zookeeper, and the bulk of it is over at Celsius. And as you can see, Celsius does not have any fees. They pride themselves on being extremely low cost to no cost, and the low cost again is for those people that are borrowing. And this is where it comes in, where we are getting reward rates is from what we are staking. They are loaning that out and doing various other things with the cryptocurrency. But remember, it is custodial. They hold your coins. You do not control the coins while they are on Celsius. Just something to keep in mind. And one more thing about Celsius I do think is interesting as we look at some of the current interest rates. I wonder, as some of these stable coins, which like the USDC is pegged to the US dollar, 8.88%, this gets me wondering, is this the real interest rate that a free market would provide for? Whereas with the fiat dollars, there is so much manipulation and suppression of the interest rates by the Federal Reserve that they don't want anybody saving. Imagine if there was an 8.88% interest savings rate at your bank account. I would have a ton of money in there getting that guaranteed 8.88%. This is just one more reason why I am so bullish on cryptocurrency. We can see that Bitcoin is currently earning 6.20%. But because Algorand is not supported here, I am not staking here. And Ripple, I used to, but Ripple is currently at 0 while they are in the SEC lawsuit here in the United States. But Celsius to foreign users outside of the United States can still earn rewards from what I understand. Are you staking anything at Coinbase? Did this video help you out? I would love to know it. And again, with cryptocurrencies, it's a small part of my portfolio. It's about 2%. And I expect that to be very volatile in the short term, but in the long term, I think as countries like El Salvador and now Tanzania, they're starting to get the ball rolling on legal tender as we're headed toward mass adoption. We're still in the early stages. I am just fascinated by Bitcoin and the blockchain, and it's such a revolutionary technology. It's, I think, the most important thing in my lifetime, maybe save for the internet, that it's just too risky to not have any exposure, because I really think that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, aside from being a store of wealth, are a freedom tool, because people in these countries like El Salvador are going to be able to convert their fiat currency to digital currency that can't be manipulated. It can't be confiscated. They can send it peer-to-peer to anybody. It's going to disrupt the legacy banking because you don't need a JP Morgan or a financial institution to put your money with, and then they'll send it to another bank, and then the person you're sending it to can withdraw from that bank. It just cuts out the middleman, and it's lightning quick, and it's just, again, peer-to-peer. I think is fantastic. They can send money to anyone in the world if they have that internet connection, which most of the world does nowadays. So I'm super bullish on cryptocurrency, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, Algorand, and Cardano are my big four that I really like. And then Anchor is coming up. I like Anchor. It's still a very small position of mine, but I wanted exposure. And I am just so bullish on this technology. Let me know what you think. If you agree with me, I would love to talk about it. And while we're talking about Anchor, check out this video I did explaining why I bought Anchor, and I will talk to you there.